Hi, I'm Bozgun. In this tutorial series, we will learn how to develop games with GDevelop. GDevelop is an open source software that you can create games. You can publish HTML5 games that you develop with GDevelop in Windows, Linux, macOS, Android, and iOS environments. You must first download and install GDevelop. You should also download the necessary graphics files for our game. The links you can download are available from my contribution. In this video, we will do a simple space game. We are going to build a spaceship that shoots as the main character. Then we will make enemy meteors to our main character. Okay, let's get started. Let's create a new game project by clicking on the New button first. On the screen, we can choose a project template according to the platform we will develop our game. We will choose the web platform and then the empty project. And click the Create a New Project button. The first skin of our new project and game was created automatically. Now, let's create a spaceship that the player controls. Now let's right click on the gray screen our first skin. And insert a new object, choose. Let's select the sprite object in this window and click on OK. The screen is the sprite editor. On the screen, we need to add a spaceship image first. Right-click the white space at the bottom of the screen. Then click the Add an image from file button. Select the spaceship image in the project file I provided to you and click on the Open button. Now you can turn off the sprite editor to return to the game scene. A newly added sprite is named New Object by default. You can enter a new name by pressing F2 to change it. Now we have to add event to control our object with the mouse. For this, we have to click on the Events tab. Then click on the Add an Event button on the top left. Hover the mouse cursor over the action bar and click on the Add an Action. On the screen, follow the Add Object, Angle and Rotate toward Position steps. In this section, Object to Spaceship, X position to mouse X, I position to mouse I, enter values. Press clicking OK. Now let's see how it works if you want. To this, click on the Preview button in the Scheme menu. The game will be launched in your default browser. Now, we have to add a shooting element for our spaceship. We need a bullet object for that. Click the Scan tab and right-click the object on the right. Then click Add an object. Sprite choose and click on OK. Now, as we add to the SpaceShip, we'll include our object. Press F2 to enter a name. Now, we have to add a bullet image. Now, go to the Events tab and click on the Add-on event. The first action will be a Create a new object action, which is available in the All Objects category. The first parameter must be bullet. As we want to create a bullet object. The other parameters are the position of the SpaceShip. Enter SpaceShip.x and SpaceShip.I parameters. Click on OK. Then add another action after this first action. This time choose the action called All Objects, Moment, add a first angle. As the first parameter, enter bullet. Angle enter then SpaceShip dot direction. For the speed enter 400 so that the bullet will move with a speed of 400 pixels per second. Finally, enter 1 in the last parameter so that bullet will keep moving after the moment it was created. We want the SpaceShip pressed to the left mouse button to fire. To do this, we need to click Add a condition and add a new condition. Choose the condition mouse and touch. Mouse button released. Right, left in the parameter. Click on the OK button. If you preview the game now, OK. Hey, you see that? We have a problem. The bullets are fired too fast, which is not realistic. To resolve this issue, we must add a new condition. Okay. Choose the timers and time value of a timer. Enter time in seconds to 0.25 and timer's name. Enter fire rate. Okay. Click on OK. Then add an action timer's end time, reset a timer in the same event with fire rate as a parameter. Click on the OK. This pair of the condition and action will ensure that the actions whistle to fire the bullet were repeated when at least 0.5 seconds is elapsed since the last bullet creation. Now we can preview in the game. As you can see, the problem is gone. Our game is now more realistic.